about to commence the walk to commemorate the 98th annual conference of Pharmaceutical Society of Nigeria, live in Kano here. Thank you very much for coming. As you can see, the pharmacists are dressed very beautiful in their polo and cap. We're about to exercise ourselves and show people that it is pharmacy forward. Thank you very much. And as you can see, I am dressed in the traditional Hausa attire. You can call me Aisha. Can we meet you, please?
My name is Pharmacist Abubakar Usman Ode.
So what is happening here?
This is a one-in-a-time event which come annually, and we are happy to be here in Dabo city, that is the city of Kano. This is a wonderful, and it's a kind of reunion for all those that you don't have the opportunity to see. So we are here, we are seeing them free of charge. We thank God for that. We thank Almighty Allah.
Welcome, like we say in Hausa, Barka.
Yes, you too, Barka as well.
What's your expectation from this conference? What's your expectation?
Expecting so much, as in one of the best conferences, you know. But from the registration, well, I don't want to say much. I'm happy. I don't want to be sad.
Kano City is a fine city, and it's a place I'm coming for the first time, and I enjoy being here.
Ooh, welcome. I hope you have a very beautiful time. So I'll see you next time. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you too.
Bye-bye. Tell us what is happening here. What's the aim of the walk?
Well, as you can see, this Dabo 25. You call it Dabo 25. It's a Pharmacists Conference.
Why is it called Dabo?
Dabo, because this is Kano Dabo. You know, Kano State is called Kano Dabo. Call it Kano Dabo. It's named after Ibrahim Dabo. He's one ancestor like that.
Oh, thank you. This is the information I needed. Thank you so much. Aminu, you are a true son of the soul.
All right, thank you very much.
I came all the way from my boy.
All the way from my boy.
Yes.
How are you seeing Kano?
Good, hot, cold most times, and it's okay.
We are still looking good.
Yeah, I'm enjoying the weather.
All right. So what's your expectation from the walk?
For starters, I like it because it's for exercise. We're moving our body.
Actually, yeah.
And you know, as health professionals, we should move our body.
So you can see pharmacists have been trooping into the government house. We're about to have an exciting time, and it begins tonight. It begins today. So like we said, Dabo 25 is set to be bigger, better, bolder, and one of the most interesting conferences we've had in a long while. My name is Pharmacist Emediel James Caleb, and like we say, Barka Dezua. I love Kano. Welcome to Kano, Barka Dezua.
Welcome to Kano.
Thank you. Welcome to Kano State.
Hello, can I meet you?
Pharmacist John.
Hello.
Jemima.
Hello. Can I meet you? Hello, can I meet you?
Hi, I'm Pharmacist Hadiza.
Okay, from
Maiduguri.
Oh, hi.
Hi, I'm Pharmacist Haweli Yakub. I'm from Maiduguri also.
Oh, good to meet you.
Thank you.
All right.
Adekule Okanlawon from
Okay.
Osun State.
Okay.
Moses Akomu from Osun State and Editor-in-Chief National. Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Hello.
Khalil Saidu, FMC Azari.
Okay.
Mohamed Ali Baza Adamawa State from Mount Teaching. Abdullahi S. Jiber, Taraba State.
Welcome to Kano. Oh, good. Can we meet you? Can we meet you? Can we meet
of Abut, Zaria.
Okay. How are you doing?
I'm great.
Hello, can we meet you?
Yes, fam. Amina of Abu Zaria.
Oh, Abud.
Hello, I'm Mariam Suleiman, Abu Zaria.
Oh, you're looking all beautiful. Welcome to Kano. Can we meet you?
I'm Pharmacist Aisha Jamila from Ahmad Bello University Zaria, but I'm here in Kano practicing.
Oh,
thank you.
Welcome. Hello, can we meet you?
Yeah. My name is Ismail Hamza.
Okay, from
Bayero University, Kano pharmacy student.
Oh, pharmacy student.
Yes.
Thank you. I hope you host us very well.
Yes,
Distinguished pharmacists, we are in front of Coronation Hall and live in the government house, Kano. And for the cocktail, we are here to have cocktail and enjoy ourselves. So what can you say? How has it been organizing the conference?
Well, organizing the conference has really been very stressful, really, you know. When you are preparing for a program, even preparing for a 3-hour program. It takes you days of work, stress, planning, and that to actualize it. Talk less of an event that is a 1 week long. So it has been very stressful, but we thank God. This is the 0 hour, for us to start implementing what we have planned.
Okay, so
it's starting so well. Thank you.
Okay, so what can we expect from here? Sentence. What can we expect from the conference?
What the delegates to expect from the conference is a time for them to network with other people and also to educate themselves based on the various topics that we are going to discuss.
Thank you.
And another thing for them to unwind.